How to block WhatsApp status screenshot. Now in this video, I'm going to provide you information or procedures for you to be able to block WhatsApp status screenshots. So if you go directly into your WhatsApp application, log in into your account, navigate through the three dots at the top right, and then go into settings. You won't be able to find that option to simply do not allow anybody to take any screenshots from your WhatsApp status. But here's the trick on how you can do that. So again, go back into your WhatsApp settings, and once you're here, all you have to do next is go into privacy. Now, as you can see, there's no option for WhatsApp statuses or whatsoever. So all you have to do is to go into your profile picture field. Now in here, what you want to have to do is switch it into nobody. Now this allows you to block your WhatsApp status screenshot and as well as your profile picture being or someone who will take screenshot of your photo on WhatsApp and as well as your status. And that's it. That's how you block WhatsApp status screenshot.